Especially, I think some areas are going to see significant snowfall, and for others, going to be a big rain event out there. But let's make some sense of what we are expecting. The weather watchers sent in, I'm sure, pictures today that you really aren't going to see any white out there at all, because that's just not what we were showing. Okay, you know what? Charlie Hoffman had a little bit of white well north. Well, you know what, Charlie? Get your camera ready, because tomorrow you'll be sending in pictures with a lot more white on the ground. He writes, a snowy start to the day, perhaps tomorrow too. You betcha. Tomorrow you're going to have more than what you see right there. Let me get you outside in New York City. Now, the skies actually are looking okay right now. It's a fair sky, a couple of clouds here or there. The rain, which is the storm that we're watching, is in Virginia right now. It's 33 degrees and your winds are pretty light, around 3 miles per hour, but they are out of the north. Okay, that's going to supply the cold air to start off this system. So what do you expect? Well north of New York City, Sullivan County, for example, gets all snow. Well south gets all rain, like Ocean County. Most of us, however, will get snow that's going to turn over to rain. And it's that transition period where you're going from snow to rain. That's where you get the icing. And I had showed you this earlier in this newscast. The latest ice accretion numbers, like about 1/10 of an inch from Montgomery over to Danbury. You know, a lot of heavily traveled roads in here. Poughkeepsie about 1/10 as well. Almost 2/10 of an inch around Monticello. We don't see it now as much of an issue around New York City. Do not let your guard down. Okay, don't. Whenever you have a storm that's going to make it that change from snow to rain, you always have a chance for some icing out there. So that's the latest number that the computers are pumping out. But I just want you to put that one in the back of your head. Anybody could see some ice out there. Here are the systems that are moving in. What it's going to work out as, what it works out as in terms of your timing, is it gets in here, we think sometime 7, maybe 8 o'clock in the morning. Here we go. This is 8:30 now. New York City catching some even out on portions of the island as well. There's your rain snow line south around Monmouth and Ocean County. Then you get to 11 a.m. lunchtime. It's pushed north of New York City, and then it sort of fans out across the area. Look at this picture. 2 p.m., lots of heavy rain out there south of places like, you know, southern Orange County. You're dealing with the rain. Still frozen north of that, but again, even sleet will compress those snowfall totals, and then it exits the area by about 11 p.m. On Wednesday. So you're looking at 0 to 2 inches of snow in the city, 2 to 4 just north of the city, and then a good chunk north and west could see 4 to 8 inches or more. Nothing is left after you get the rain in the city. It's a slushy 0 to 3 north of the city, and then well north and west is where you have the 3 to 6 inches or more. If you never catch a drop of rain up there, you'll be definitely on the more side. So here's how we see your 7-day forecast. 40 degrees for your high temp tomorrow. That's why we go from snow to rain. 34 Thursday, 36 on Friday. Saturday, you're 44. Sunday at 50 with the next precipitation chances. Sunday at 50 with rain.
All right.
Just be careful tomorrow. Thanks, Lonnie. All right.